This is team RAGEBAIT presenting to you the comprehensive adaptive reforestation platform habitat, and this is a demo of the same. So we're starting with our product, which we have an interactive map component that starts at the center of India, and in an interactive search bar where we can search for any location. For example, when I put Bandra here and click on go, it will automatically direct me to Bandra. Apart from that, we have integrated multiple satellite layers, utilizing OpenStreetMap, as you can see, then satellite, and then terrain. We have also included overlays so that it will be easy for people and easy for forest professionals to include Indian forest zones and state boundaries to perform and extrapolate the data that they want. So let us start with analyzing some data, and let us point to any location and just analyze the sector. Here we have a customizable sector radius which we can change on our will. So I'm putting it as 10 kilometer and I'm analyzing the sector. Here you can see the transition with an amazing animation. We are analyzing NDVI and NDMI composites to map the sites which are suitable for afforestation. Here are the key zones identified. So out of the 102 sites that has been identified, as you can see here, there are 24 high priority zones and 24 medium priority zones, and here are the analysis metrics that you are seeing on your screen. These are the top afforestation sites. Apart from that, the one special feature about our product is that we have integrated AI chat right here on the dashboard, so that you can power NLP to interact with this dashboard. Click on best species that is available in these coordinates, and you will get it on the palm of your hands. See the species recommendations, which species to plant, and look no less. Just switch the compartment. Go to the soil and see the soil profile, and not only the soil profile but the detailed soil profile. So we'll go to the next tab, which is, so as you can see, we have navigated from the planning tab to the monitoring tab, where you can see our interactive dashboard where we are monitoring the location that we have selected, and it shows 85 out of 100 the ecosystem health score, where we are showing the NDVI index, and this is the impact. You can drop down on the impact and see its impact, moisture, temperature. You can get active alerts based on that, and we have interactive graphs also, the NDVI plus rainfall graph of the historical trends of the last 12 months, the moisture trends and the temperature trends, to allow you to make a more progressive decision. We have a simulation where you can select any of the species and select any of the natural calamities. So, set the severity, duration, and the affected area extent, and just click on run simulation. As simple as that. Our custom algorithm and formula will give you the answers just like that. And go to the prediction center and visualize the timeline of the tree and the life cycle of the tree, as the tree grows from a sapling to a large tree in 6 years, and see how much it is having an effect on the economy. See the environmental improvements, see the ecosystem benefits. This is Team RAGEBAIT with our Habitat Adaptive Reforestation platform, signing off.